Hey, young space explorers, did you know that the universe is full of amazing secrets and mind-blowing facts? Let us blast off on a journey to discover some of the coolest things about space that will make you say, wow. 1. The sun is a giant ball of fire. The sun looks like a burning fireball, but it's actually a giant star made of superhot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. It doesn't burn like wood. Instead, it creates light and heat through nuclear fusion, where atoms smash together to make energy. If the sun were a hollow ball, over 1 million Earths could fit inside. 2. You weigh less on the moon. Ever dreamed of jumping really high? On the moon, you could. Because the moon has less gravity than Earth, you'd weigh much less. That's why astronauts bounce around like kangaroos. 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus spins super slowly. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a day on Venus is longer than its year. Plus, Venus spins backwards, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. 4. There's a planet made of diamond. Scientists found a star called 55 Cancri that might be covered in diamonds and graphite. This planet is twice Earth's size and orbits so close to its star that one side is always scorching hot, while the other is cooler. Imagine a whole planet sparkling like a giant space jewel. 5. Space is completely silent in space. No one can hear you scream, because there's no air to carry sound. Astronauts use radios to talk because sound waves need air to travel. So, space is like the quietest library ever. 6. Jupiter has a storm bigger than Earth. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has been raging for over 400 years. It's so huge that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Scientists still don't know exactly why it lasts so long. 7. Some stars are older than the universe. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, but there's a star called Methuselah that scientists think might be 14.5 billion years old. How is that possible? Astronomers are still figuring it out. Maybe our measurements are a little off. 8. A spoonful of a neutron star weighs 1 billion tons. Neutron stars are super dense. They're what's left after a giant star explodes. Just a tiny piece of one would weigh more than all the cars on Earth combined. 9. There are more stars than grains of sand. On Earth, scientists estimate there are 100 billion galaxies, each with 100 billion stars. That's more stars than all the sand on every beach and desert on Earth. 10. You're made of stardust. Every atom in your body was created inside a dying star. When stars explode, they spread elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the same stuff that makes up your bones, blood, and even your phone. Final fun fact. Space isn't that far away. The official start of space is only 100 kilometers above Earth. That's closer than some road trips. Want to learn more? Keep looking up at the stars, and who knows, maybe one day you will discover a new planet or solve a space mystery. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.